Good PM. Today is December 12, 2023, Tuesday. And here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 12, 2023, Tuesday. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City. Under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.